The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly prohibit the installation of electrical panels in kitchens. However, Section 110.11 requires electrical equipment to be protected from physical damage and installed in a manner that will not promote the spread of fire. Kitchens can be challenging environments for electrical equipment due to several factors. Firstly, moisture. Kitchens generate steam and humidity, which can create a damp or wet location. Secondly, heat. Cooking appliances can generate significant heat, which can affect the performance and longevity of electrical components. Thirdly, grease and debris. Kitchens produce grease and food debris, which can accumulate on electrical surfaces and pose a fire hazard. To address these concerns, electrical panels installed in kitchens should be protected from heat. The panels should be located away from cooking appliances and other heat sources. They should also be well ventilated. The panels should be installed in a well-ventilated area to prevent the accumulation of heat and moisture. The panel should also be enclosed. The panel should be enclosed in a metal cabinet or other protective enclosure. Raised from the floor, the panel should be raised at least 6 inches above the floor to prevent damage from flooding or spills. In some cases, the NEC does allow for exceptions to the general requirements for electrical equipment in kitchens. For example, Article 404.4e permits the installation of electrical panels in kitchens under certain conditions, such as enclosed in a tight, dust-proof metal box located not less than 6 feet above the floor and protected from physical damage. Based on the NEC requirements and kitchen considerations, it is reasonable to conclude that electrical panels can be installed in kitchens if they are adequately protected from moisture, heat, grease, and physical damage.